guys, today's tutorial slash video is going to be on how to create a script hub in Roblox. Now, there's going to be a couple things you're going to be needing. The first one, all this is going to be in the comments, by the way. The first one is you're going to be needing some type of UI library. So the one I'm on right now is Rayfield, and this one's a really good one. My favorite feature about it is how it has the callbacks. That's the best part. But you can really use any UI library. And the second link you're going to need is, you're going to be needing the simple spot right here. That's going to be, all this is going to be in the comments. And the other thing you're going to be needing is infinite yield. That is also going to be in the comments right here. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is open this. Now you want to find your game place ID. Now if you don't know how to do that, you're going to need to go to your browser and go to your speed. I mean, not your speed. Go to your browser, go to your Roblox on the browser, click the game you want. Make sure on this screen and go up here, click these numbers, Control C. Now I'm going to say if game dot place ID is equal to that, then that's gonna load up the UI. So how are we gonna load up the UI? First, you want to go to UI elements, look for booting the library, look for this specific string. It's not gonna be the exact same unless if you're using the UI library that I put in the comments. But now you're gonna be going right here. You're gonna be paste that, and now you're gonna be going down to Windows. Now the cool thing about Rayfield is it's going to give you a key, configuration saving, and Discord. So it's going to make you join Discord. So now we're going to make this. So my hub name is going to be Solar Hub. Now I'm going to make this an actual official hub. So Solar Hub, and I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put speed clicker, just like that. And then now I'm gonna put an emoji that matches it, which I have to say that. So now we're gonna put the loading title. And then we're gonna put the loading subtitle. So who this by? So I'm gonna put by and then me. So okay, now show text. These don't matter. So if Rayfield does actually does support mobile. So now I'm gonna set configuration saving to false. And then we're going to be creating our first tabs and stuff. So we're going to go to down into tab, copy your tab, and paste it. So mine's going to be called the farm tab. And then go right here and name this your thing. So mine's going to be like that. And then if you don't want an image to pop up beside your tab, then click this and put this in nil. And then now you're going to want to go down and you're going to want to grab the section. Control V and name this, for me I'm going to name it farm section. And where it says tab with the yellow underline, put it to farm tab. Okay, so now that we created that, I'm going to create a few variables. Okay. Actually, wait. But now, we're going to load into the game that you want to play. So for me, it's this one. Now, I'm going to be loading up Simple Spy. And that's going to be really it for me, because I don't really need this. So load up Simplify and click the Simplify button right there until it turns green. Click on your screen and you should see an increase speed button. This increase speed button is going to be your like auto farm kind of. So what now we're going to do is we're going to create a local table. So _g dot auto farm click is equal to true. So the reason we're setting it to true is because we want it to, when we turn on our toggle button, it's gonna, when we turn it on, it's gonna work. But when it's false, if we put it to false, that true to false, it's gonna make it to where when we have the toggle off, then it's gonna put it to where it'll work only when the toggle's off. So we don't really want that. So now we're gonna go to elements right here. I'm gonna do creating a toggle, and then right here I'm gonna put farm toggle or click toggle, and then obviously where it says farm, where it says tab, I'm gonna put it to farm tab. And toggle example auto farm, put mine to auto farm clicks right there. And I'm gonna take this out, and now I'm gonna say _g dot auto farm click is equal to click V. So basically why we're doing this is we're setting that value to thing, so when it's true it's only gonna work when that is on, but when it's false it's not. Okay, so now we're gonna go under this and we're gonna create a function called auto click. Under this we're gonna say while blank do, but we're gonna replace this true with _g dot auto farm click is equal to true do. And then we're gonna go to our game, we're gonna go to copy code, we're gonna go back to Visual Studio, we're gonna put that in. And now what we want to do is put a task dot wait, and then like that. And then now under where your toggle, you're gonna put auto click and then the function. Now this should perfectly work. So now if we go over here, we go to execute this, paste it, execute it. It's gonna say array field or whatever UI you're using. And for me, when it says auto farm clicks, this should auto farm the clicks. As you can see, I'm not pressing any buttons and it's auto farming clicks. You can see for me it's auto farming clicks. That's really how you make a script hub. I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys want any more tips on how to actually create a script hub and how to for stuff working and teleporting and all that, then put it in the comments and I will do it for you guys. And yeah, this is the end. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned off of how to create a script hub, and I hope you guys have a great day.
Beats.